In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Total War Warhammer 3 on PC or laptop. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video and today I'm going to show you the ways to download and play Total War Warhammer 3 on PC. So in that case, you have to first of all install Steam, and only through Steam you could go ahead and access the game. So open up a browser and top on the search box, type in steampower.com. It's going to take you to the offshore page, and while you're on this page, you need to go ahead and press the install button. I happen to already install it, so I'm just going to show you the procedure. And select the device that you're installing Steam on, and when you've done that, the exe file is going to load up in the top right hand side corner. You just go ahead and open it up, and you can just go ahead and run the install. It's going to install automatically. When you're done installing it, go ahead and create your account and log in. Then from the home page, go to stores, and on the search box, you have to go ahead and tap on the search bar and type in the name that is Total War Warhammer 3. When you locate the following game, you just need to go ahead and press on it, and then you have to click on add to cart located right at the bottom, and it's going to take you to the cart section page. From there, you need to go ahead and proceed on to the checkout method and select the payment details and a source of payment and all that, and you'll have successfully bought the game on your device. When you've bought the game, you need to download it once again, and you have to create your account. Only then you'll be able to play the game on your PC. So that is how you can download and play Total War Warhammer on PC or laptop. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.